name is Jason. I'm Vadim, and we're both co-owners of Northwest Restoration. RMG came in clutch for us, established an online presence, and I guess we're still doing that. So we almost didn't hire RMG just because when it comes to water damage, leads and qualifications, it's very difficult to find a company that actually knows what they're doing because every marketing agency tends to sell the same thing, right? But we decided to go with RMG because after speaking to the owner, we just felt that personal touch that they're going to be giving our company, not going with a mainstream one. And honestly, going with RMG was a great choice, and I feel like we're developing new strategies every single week or every single month that are bringing in a lot more work for us, and we're happy. So honestly, I would definitely go with you guys just because when we give you guys criticism, you guys you don't run away with it from it. My apologies. You tend to fix your mistakes in a sense, and we really appreciate that because everyone makes mistakes. As long as you own up to them, and fix them, and make them better or implement new strategies, and it gets better. So I mean that's the best thing for me and Jason personally. We feel like that personal touch. If we reach out to you guys respond, and that's
Communication.
communication.
Definitely very
Communication is key, right? And we get that from you guys, so we really do appreciate that.